ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, or so they in a real sense thought. ETH sort of countenances opposition at $1,364.37 in an essentially large manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum generally is floating at $6,092,846,837, or so they for the most part thought. The EMA especially is right now at $1,421.10 in an essentially significant manner. The 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these regularly essentially clarified some things. What truly is genuinely transient cost expectation for Ethereum? For the most part is ETH an especially wise venture, which certainly is genuinely critical. Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on in an especially significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging certainly profound into the ETH specialized examination, sort of allowed us for the most part to discuss the by and large current economic situation, which essentially shows that Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is very huge. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital money market to $1,143,010,892,478 in a very enormous manner. The very all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $31,276,248,695, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, which really shows that the amount truly is right now at $1,421.10 in an every practical sense, significant way, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76%. Or so they fundamentally thought, various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours in an extremely large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time period in a kind of significant manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP generally, is up by 1.98 and right now exchanging at 52 cents, which certainly is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an all things considered, significant way. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a very descending heading for genuinely present moment, especially further appearance how market examination over the last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,143,010,892,478, which certainly is genuinely critical. As of now, a genuinely broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. Ethereum backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which basically is genuinely huge. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers explicitly become in every way that really matters, more sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some pressing issues. What basically is genuinely transient cost expectation for Ethereum, essentially is ETH a very wise speculation, which truly is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers especially move commonly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. For the most part further appearance how yet prior to jumping in every practical sense profound into the ETH specialized examination, for the most part allowed us explicitly to discuss the sort of current economic situations, which explicitly shows that Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum by and large is at $1,891.67, up 1.6% in the very beyond 24 hours and sort of has a cost difference in 3.74% over the course of the week, showing how right now a fundamentally broad essentially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours incredibly. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is $6,092,846,837.00 while fundamentally complete market cap came to $227,459,122,006 USD, which generally shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum in every practical sense is floating at $6,092,846,837 in an unpretentious way. There generally are very nearly 120,242,777 fundamentally are available for use out of 120,242,777, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Ethereum Value Investigation ETH Cost Examination for the 2nd of June 2023 inside a kind of day-to-day time period essentially made sense of underneath, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving genuinely normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving genuinely normal and outstanding moving truly normal to break down the future development of the Ethereum in an especially significant manner. As a matter of fact, the MACD line in a real sense is remaining above of the truly signal line after an especially certain hybrid, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Ethereum financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day outline, which really shows that Ethereum financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day graph in an unpretentious manner most certainly. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 42 and generally is attempting to explicitly break out of the nonpartisanship zone in an especially significant manner. While ETH's Williams %R marker basically is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign by and large is by and large conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on in an especially significant manner. Ends the Ethereum market really is given indications of being hopeful, and purchasers generally have the possibility to drive costs of the cryptographic money genuinely higher in every practical sense. Next truly couple of days, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77, following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time span in a for the most part significant manner. The cost of ETH basically is supposed to break over its obstruction level of $1,364.37, showing how we utilize truly relative strength index, moving extremely normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving sort of normal and remarkable moving commonly normal to generally dissect the future development